We don't want to do schoolwork. Mr. Sheen didn't come this far for nothing. I think that's enough for today. Bada boom, bada bing. I might get kicked out otherwise. Hello everybody, it's me Lily Mae and welcome back to my channel. Some of you guys may be able to tell that this isn't my usual setup. This is a very last minute video. I literally didn't think I was gonna film this, but it's currently 20 past 8 and I'm not tired at all. I thought, why not do an all-nighter? I'm just so wild and crazy. I can't believe I'm doing this. I did one of these videos almost a year ago now, so that's kind of crazy. You guys actually seem to really enjoy it, so I thought I'd come back with another. I did actually find it really fun to film, so that's great. I don't know how good this video is gonna be. Probably not great, just because I literally have no idea what I'm doing, and my all-nighters get pretty boring, let me not lie. Last time I did this video, I don't think Article 13 existed, so I like used copyright music and stuff when I was listening to music, jamming out in my bedroom. Can't exactly do that this time, so that's fun. You know what? It's fine. We'll find our way around it. If I want to jam out to some music, then I'll just use some iMovie library stuff. Ooh. Yes. Righty then. Spending my nights alone, waiting for you to call me. My eye is kind of fun and wild. I was gonna say let's take off my makeup, but I've only got mascara on, and mascara makes me look a lot better. So we're starting off this all-nighter just watching some YouTube. I'm currently watching Sadie Rose, the one and only legend. We love Sadie. I guess before it gets too late, I should use the opportunity up to actually message my friends and be entertained, because they're probably normal and probably will be going to sleep at a normal time.
It's 2 more stops till the final stop.
Literally don't know what to do with myself. To be fair, I should probably catch up on some schoolwork that's due. This is supposed to be fun. We don't want to do schoolwork. I really probably should, because I might get kicked out otherwise. Right, Google Classroom. This just ain't it, sis. Okay, why do I have... Okay, what? Oh no, what did I do? No! Please stop this, please stop. Oh my god, I've like done most of this work. I just need to submit it. Should I show you some of the schoolwork I've been up to? To be fair, a lot of the stuff that we've been doing in school has been kind of fun and like artsy. Let me show you a few things. Basically, we've got like an assignment due soon, and it's like, it's one assignment, but it's split into 3 things. So I basically am saying I've got 3 assignments due. So much work. I'm not used to this much work, can't I? Our first assignment that we have to do, or like the first part and the main part, we have to make a short like 3 to 5 minute documentary. Mine is gonna be on college life, and I'm the director. Guys, honestly, I have no idea how that's gonna go, because me in charge. You know what though? I'm just gonna have faith in myself, because it was my idea that got picked, so there must be some sense in it. Our second sort of part of our assignment is we have to do a scene remake, which I was just talking about, like all the artsy stuff. We're doing our scene remake on like one of the scenes from an episode of the show Hannah. I don't know if you've heard of it or not. You can watch it on like Amazon Prime Video or something like that. In our classes, we've all been split up into like little groups, and we have to base our scene remake on a certain decade. The set design and costume and stuff has to be based on the decade. My group is doing the 80s, so we had to make like a 80s themed mood board. This is a picture of my mood board. We did it in class, but I just took a picture of it. This is kind of what mine looks like, you know. We just got loads of colors going on there. And then we had to build like a mini set, so that was kind of cool actually when it all came together. This is what our like mini set looks like. I did so well on that window. To be honest, it turned out pretty sick if you ask me. I've never really been into set design, and I've never really done anything like it, so pretty fun. These were some of my like 80s costume designs. If you guys want me to, then I can do a whole video on that soon. I can do like a week in the life of college if you'd want to see that. I need to submit all this work into my little insight folder, and then I'm done. I should probably start developing my documentary idea, but I don't want to do that in this video. I could actually watch Love Island for an hour to keep me occupied. My brother's a really good singer, as you can tell. Snapchat check. Oh my god, we should make TikTok.
Here's a challenge and I bet you won't do it.
Oh, why does this always happen to me? Just started the video and my camera battery's flashing. I let my camera battery charge for a bit and I watched some Love Island. Honestly, Love Island, I just haven't got into it this time. The last 2 series that I've watched, I've actually like loved and I've been literally obsessed with. If I missed an episode, I'd be catching up with it straight away the next day. I've missed so many episodes of this season, and I don't even feel like I have to watch them to catch up. Like, I literally can't be arsed with this season. I'm just not enjoying it. Anyways, it's like 5 to 10 now. I literally came up a little early because it was just dead. Maybe it'll get a bit juicier soon. I don't know. I know earlier I said I don't feel tired at all, but that explains what I was about to say, to be honest. I'm sorry, okay? I don't really know what to do right now to actually entertain myself. Maybe I should clean my room or something. First things first though, I'm gonna get my dressing gown because it's kind of cold. Also, both the freaking handles of my wardrobe broke off. They're supposed to look cute and like that. My wardrobe looks ratchet. Grab her. Put you guys over here. Bob's your uncle. Put her on. Also, do you rate my Mickey Mouse pajamas? Kind of cute, to be honest. I'm quite a fashion icon, in my personal opinion. Anyways, I'm pretty sick. Let's go grab some Mr. Sheen and clean this bitch up. To be fair, I cleaned my room the other day, so maybe I'll just dust some crap. Ooh, kitchen check. Literally feel like Mrs. Hinch every single time I go into this cupboard. Right, where's Mr. Sheen when you need him? Hello. Literally put it right there the other day and it's not here. Grab a little yellow duster. Oh my god, I found it. Love that for me. I was about to like do a deep clean, but now I'm just gonna do some dusting because I can't be arsed. Also, let's fill up my water bottle. Gotta keep hydrated. Perfectamundo. Let's head upstairs. Back in the room. Where the frick do I really even start? I need to stop quoting TikToks. That's all I ever freaking do. It used to be Vine and now TikTok has really taken a toll on my life. I love living in London. That's really how it be sometimes. Okay, right, I need to stop procrastinating and do something. Mr. Sheen didn't come this far for nothing. Come on, people, give me the motivation to do this. Okay, let's get this party started. Let's go look on Mrs. Hinch's Instagram for moral support.
Morning, guys.
Oh my god, this woman is amazing. She literally has like a disco freaking kitchen. These are my life goals. Okay, where should I even put you guys? I gave my room like a little clean and polish the other day, but I didn't do like these. It's probably nasty up in there. Also, rate my outfit out of 10. Like I said before, I'm a fashion icon. Don't be jealous. Why am I filming myself doing this? Damn, it is nasty up here. Am I the only person who loves the smell of this stuff? Kind of wild. I really don't want to start getting old. I can just feel it in myself. I'm getting really old and I don't want that. I want to be a child. Also, fun fact, when I was like 11 years old, throwback to Toys R Us, I know they're bankrupt and don't exist anymore, but kind of sad. Toys R Us is like my entire childhood. I used to cry at the Toys R Us advert because it used to go like
I don't wanna grow up, 'cause baby, if I did, I wanna be a Toys R Us kid.
I was 11 years old and I was scared of no longer being a Toys R Us kid. Yeah, quite a sad child, to be honest. And now look at me, I'm loving Mr. Sheen up in my bedroom at like, what, 9 o'clock at night. Mad how times change. Okay, the pictures are done. I think that's enough for today. Literally can't be arsed. That's enough of Mr. Sheen for one day. Let's go back downstairs for the last time tonight. I'm gonna bring this down and get some digestives. Don't tell anyone. Rebel. I'm such a rebel. Put this away. That's enough of you. Don't really like you that much. Hello, snacks. Probably shouldn't bring the whole pack up. I'm gonna grab some tissue. I'm gonna bring a few up on a piece of tissue because I'm so elegant and classy. Is 4 too much? Don't even care at this point. I'm gonna turn on my lamp rather than my actual big light because that's so much better. Got my biscuits, my liter of water because I'm so healthy, aren't I? And now I guess we're gonna chill. I also want to quickly say thank you guys so much for this support recently. I'm in such a good place right now, I feel like, just because I'm surrounded by such amazing people. The edits that you guys have been making have been crazy. They are literally the cutest freaking things ever and they just make me smile so much. Mukbang! Do you know what? It really is the time that we should probably start making TikToks. I'm probably gonna have to silence all of this though because copyright. We don't want to be demonetized up in this bitch. Shame. I need to whack the beauty filter on that. To be honest, time is going really slow. It's literally only 10:25 right now. So I don't really know what to do. Maybe I should pick out what I'm gonna wear for school tomorrow. Honestly, I don't really have that many lessons tomorrow, so can I be able to make an effort? No. Come with me and choose. I would go for like some joggers and like a plain dead boring t-shirt. I could probably wear these. These are just black with 2 stripes down the side. The top I usually wear when I wear this is this one. This was literally like £3 from H&M. I do think it's really cute and I think it goes really well with these bottoms, but at the same time it's really thin, so obviously it's not going to keep me warm. It's short sleeves as well and it's pretty cold out, so I don't know whether to wear this or like jeans and a nice warm jumper. I'll keep this out for now, and if I can be bothered tomorrow then I'll change. We really be getting things done. Oh, I don't know what to do. Actually, I kind of want my hair curly tomorrow, but that just takes so much effort. I'm tired, but I can't be tired because I'm staying awake. We're gonna be wild. We're gonna be crazy. We're gonna curl my hair. Oh, I'm tired. To be honest, I prefer the way I look with curly hair, so let's just go for it. I'll be happy once it's done. Put you up here. Okay. Let's get this party started. This is called the Babyless Curling Wand Pro. Honestly, I'm getting kind of sick and tired of my hair. It's just so boring. I have to dry shampoo it like every freaking 5 minutes. Put my little heat protector glove on. Gotta love it. I don't even like section my hair. I literally just do it in 2 big sections. I kind of just half the hair wherever I think the halfway point is. I just curl pieces from the back to the front and hope for the best. I guess I'll show you guys how I do like the first few bits, because I've actually surprisingly been asked to do a curly hair tutorial. Don't really know why. Take a little bit of hair from this side, get my trusty wand, just go with the flow and hope that I don't burn myself. There we go. I just hold it for a sec while it's there, and then just let it drop into my hand. Squeeze it for a sec just because apparently that helps the curl last longer. Let that bit go, and look, throw that one to the back and carry on. Move on to the next section of hair. I kind of do pretty big sections just so that it gets it done quicker, and then go back in afterwards in case any bits are a little too straight or not curly enough. Let it drop. Bada boom, bada bing. You guys can tell what I'm doing. It's literally super simple, so I guess I'll see you guys when it's done. I'm back! I look kind of crazy right now because my hair is like all curled but it's not brushed out. I haven't brushed it out because I know if I brush it out now it will literally be fully pin straight in the morning. I kind of like it when they've dropped out a bit, so they'll probably drop out a bit overnight, and then tomorrow I'll have my desired look. I've pinned 2 of the front bits up because they were like dropping as soon as I was doing this side. This is what it be looking like. Hopefully it's curly at the back. If it's not, then that's kind of embarrassing. It's almost 1:45 midnight and I'm dying inside. I've been watching a lot of YouTube and stuff while I've been curling my hair, and I'm just wanna sleep. I'm gonna quickly take off my mascara because that's needed. Mascara is so uncomfortable to wear when you're tired. Take that off. She looks rough. Look at the difference mascara makes. That is crazy. Me without mascara, I literally look like a naked mole rat. Moisturize real quick. We do not want a dry and crusty skin. I'm getting cold again. Put on my dressing gown. I'm gonna go and brush my teeth now because I haven't done that yet, and that's kind of butters. We're bonding so well together tonight, guys. I'm back in my room and I honestly don't know what to do with myself. It's gone past midnight now. I kind of did an all-nighter because like it's the end of the night, you know. I really don't know what to do because if I'm going to sleep, I need to go to sleep like ASAP just so that I can like get up on time for school and everything. Technically, I didn't fail the challenge. Midnight is AM. I pretty much did an all-nighter because like night is like PM, right? I'm so proud of myself. I just like to thank my mum and my dad for getting me here. All of the support is amazing. Thank you so much. I'm kidding, I literally failed. It's so hard. Not yet, because I might not fall asleep. I probably will. I probably did fail, but who knows?